The Bangalore Student Community, a non-profit organization and a place for the youth of India to come to a platform that enables them with social work, public policy, and leadership skills. Bangalore Student Community invests in students to create young student leaders from the southern city of India, Bangalore. As the global health crisis changed the norm of daily life, a few students from various institutes across the city came together for a common cause. Having only started by a 21-year-old college student with a passion for politics and international affairs into a team of young adults from student ambassadors to college ambassadors.
The reason to start Bangalore student community was mainly something that I thought of back in 2018 because I never believed that there was a good platform for students across the city to exhibit their skill sets when it comes to giving to people and in lines of social service and humanitarian activities.
During this very fragile state of affairs going on in the subcontinent of India due to COVID-19, here's a community of young adults striving to make a change. With their current ongoing projects such as the migrant crisis, tackling SDG number 4, quality education, and most recently the COVID bed crisis. India is lacking efficient resources to safely sustain the pandemic, with a shortage of hospital beds for patients, ventilators, and the corona vaccine for the large population. Bangalore Student Community helped the BBMP by donating 538 beds to the COVID care centers.
The Bangalore student community has definitely helped a lot of people during this pandemic. We have helped the migrant laborers as well as COVID-19 patients. We've helped in looking for beds, medicines, plasma, etc. And recently we conducted a food drive wherein we would distribute food to underprivileged families as this pandemic has not been easy on them.
Within a span of 2 years, the Bangalore student community has tremendously grown, having been recognized by prominent sports players, actors, and the former state chief minister. They are not slowing down until they have reached their target audience.
Ambassador program. So we're handpicking ambassadors from colleges so that our reach is more deepened. And what we want to do is also begin identifying people who are interested in sort of giving more and then see how we can actually help them in both social and political atmosphere.
We also put out content on our social media, which is not student specific and can be applicable to the general public as well.
This is only just the beginning of the hard-working and passionate future leaders of the country. With the number of volunteers and supporters growing with every campaign, Bangalore student community will continue to keep pushing to make the city a better place and mold the future generations to come.